Good morning, I'm Vidita Reddy from Grade 6. Now I'm going to presenting a topic on entering data in Excel. If we click a control plus shift plus semicolon, it will become day. If time time if we click control plus semicolon, it will become date. Date. If we drag Jan, automatically come January to December. Thank you.